Have you ever wanted the person you're talking to during an iPhone call to hear music, video sounds, or game audio that you're playing on your phone? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable your app audio to go directly into a call along with your voice. This is perfect for sharing your favorite songs, videos, or game sounds with friends while talking over FaceTime, WhatsApp, or other calling apps. So, let's get started with the process. First, find and open the settings on your phone. Once you're in Settings, scroll down a bit and find the Accessibility section, then tap on it. In the Accessibility section, scroll down again until you reach Audio and Visual, and then tap on it. Here, you'll see a bunch of options. Scroll down and find the option called Add Audio in Calls. Once you find it, tap on it. Finally, tap the switch next to Allow apps to add audio in calls to enable it. Once you've done this, audio from your apps will now be able to go into calls along with your voice. You can test it immediately by playing music or a video during a call and checking if the other person hears both your voice and the app audio. And that's everything for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon.